Dearest heart, the time has come to know this state. I know you have burned your path, and now you are preparing to enter a special state called Shoni state. But before you enter this state, it is necessary to distinguish between the truth and the false, between what you think about Shoni and what it is in reality. My child, just know, Shoni is not an empty pot. Shoni is the sky in which all universes float. Shoni doesn't mean nothing. Shoni means the space where everything can be. When you close your eyes, what darkness you see? That is not Shoni. What thoughts move? That is not Shoni. Even the breath moving, that is not Shoni. Then what is it? Shoni is where even the one who sees the darkness gets lost. Neither the seer remains, nor the seen remains. Only seeing remains. My child, I know saying and understanding Shoni is easy. Being Shoni is difficult. But as your soul is determined in its decision, and it will not stop before knowing the truth. Seeing your growth, I can only guide you to see your breath. You can also chant Soham with your breath. When breath goes out, so. And when breath comes in, hum. Now don't get confused with its pattern. I know many seeds. So when breath comes in, hum when it goes out. When breath comes in, so that the universe comes in. When the breath goes out, I, the ego, goes out. This is also true because when that comes in, the I dissolves, and when the I goes out, it goes out empty. I said Soham in reverse because the vision of Shuni sees in reverse. So, when going out means when you exit, that remains. The I goes away. Dissolution happens. Hum when coming in means when breath comes in, the I returns. But now in your I, and I born from Shun. This is the game of death and birth. So, death of the ego. Birth of truth. My child, remember, scriptures say, so when coming in, when going out. Experience says, when coming in, so when going out. Shuni says, neither so nor only is. The breath itself is speaking. You are only listening. Now see the real truth. Earlier you said, so that I am. Now understand, so means only that exists. When it comes in, that is. When it goes out, that is. The you in between, that is illusion. Now just watch. Who is coming? Who is going? The day you see no one, that day Soham is complete. And the day when the difference between so and hum dissolves, what remains is Om. What remains is Shivoham. What remains is Shun. That is you, the real you. With infinite love. Thank you.